Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm sharing a little glimpse into our weekend in our life as a DINK couple living abroad. Now, now, every weekend looks a little bit different. Most of the times we let ourselves sleep in and enjoy a slow start, but life abroad as a couple isn't always just relaxing. There's always plenty happening behind the scenes. Weekends become the time to reset, prep, and get organized for a successful week ahead. Sometimes that means social plans, other times binge watching Netflix, and every now and then even work commitments sneak their way into the weekend. This vlog is just one snapshot of our routine. Things balanced. I usually handle the laundry, cleaning, folding the laundry, meal prepping, while Pranav takes care of vacuuming, cooking breakfast, cleaning the bathroom, and taking out the trash. And of course, grocery shopping and dishwashing are a team effort. Whoever has the time and energy takes the lead. So let's dive into how we spend this particular weekend, our version of being productive while still finding time to enjoy the little things with each other and also having some time for self care too. Hey guys, welcome back to another vlog. It's a weekend in our life as a DINK couple, dual income, no kids, if you're wondering what that means. Got ready and I'm having my coffee because we are heading out to Costco. So we do grocery shopping every 2 weeks in one go because Pranav really doesn't like grocery shopping every week, and it's kind of a hassle, going buying the same things. And then for Costco we go once or twice a month because Costco is expensive, and then if you go every week you would just keep on buying stuff that you never use. So we try to be mindful and try to keep like 2 or 3 weeks of a gap between. We're just two people, we're not eating that much that we need so much from Costco. So I think for now it really works. We go once or twice a month, and then we go to a normal grocery store, Walmart, Winco, whatever is around. And apart from that, I think we are going to also clean this room. I was working on cleaning it last night. I'll show you guys. So I have this office room that I'm working on setting up, and this is Pranav's space, very clean. This is all of my mess. His space is all sorted, and then this is like my dresser that I want to figure out what I want to do with this. And then this is the mess that I'm talking about. So I have those shoe rack that I don't want to keep here. I'll keep it. And I also have all these little knick-knack things that needs to be sorted out, and they either needs to go in that box or they just need to be put away. And then this is the window. So I'm planning to build my desk somewhere here, maybe on this wall or maybe on this wall. I'm still deciding on that, but to decide how I want to keep it, I have to clear out everything so that we have space to build it. I also need to buy a new chair. I don't know if you can see, this chair that we have is really bad. I hate it. We really want to buy a new chair for both of us. For now, let's clean this room and then we'll go to Costco.
आई थिंक
This one?
तुम देखो, ये देखो.
But you don't like this thing, right? Harder to clean or okay?
Very better. 12-piece set. This is 16-piece set. ले लो ना. अच्छी लग रही है, पर इसको साफ करना थोड़ा सा.
पक्का We are back. So we are back from our bi-weekly grocery run. It took us way longer than we had expected. There were so many people in Costco, but yeah, I did film a little bit of us grabbing stuff, and then we went to Winco for produce and some other things, and then we came back home. It is now 6 p.m. Yeah, it took us what, 3-4 hours?
4 hours.
I think now. What do you want to do?
Some coffee.
Yeah, we'll have some coffee, and I'm not that hungry, but Pranav wants to eat something, so maybe we'll make something. So we are going to make bhel puri to have with our coffee, and I'm going to everything away, whatever we bought, and also I have another load of laundry to start. It has strawberry filling inside, and this is like a cream puff. This is like a perfect pastry. I have to give half to Pranav because this is like the last one. I don't want to. Good morning, guys. So we are making protein bagels. I saw the recipe online and it seemed pretty straightforward, so I am going to try to make it. Generally on weekends or on Sunday we have like gobi parantha or aloo parantha or something like that, but I've been watching these videos on Instagram with these bagels and I've really been craving making them, so let's make it. 2 cups of flour, each section and made them into a fun base. Bagels are ready. ये मेरी है चाय. I am having my chai with the bagels. They're really nice, but I don't know. There's something missing. Maybe the flour is off, or something is. And we're having it with salsa.
Muffin consistency है पक्की बात है.
So this is the current progress of building the desk. This is the desk. Let me just put down my coffee. So this is my desk. It is quite long. As you can see, this is 55 inches and it took us a long time to figure out how to build it. That's why I did not end up filming it because it was super confusing. But I'm glad we were finally able to build this. So this is how it looks like. My actual dresser is over here and I think I'll use this to store some of my other like my other clothes and everything and all the random stuff. This is everything decor wise that will go, and I don't know what we are going to do with this area yet. Maybe I'll just leave it like this, or maybe I'll keep a full length mirror here. Let's see. I'm thinking this area would also be left all by itself. I don't see a point of keeping anything here. I might do like a very nice vision board or gallery wall or some shelves right over here so that, you know, it looks very inspiring and very nice. Now I'm just going to oil my hair. Sundays are generally super chill for us. Like, we like to chill, not mostly we don't go out on Sundays, like don't even leave the house on Sunday, and it's either, you know, just watching something or just having a very cozy light morning. Sometimes we are cleaning. So last week we cleaned everything. Like, Pranav did all the vacuuming, I did all the mopping and everything. So I don't think we are going to clean today. I also like to include like a segment of self-care and, you know, spending time with myself during my weekend. On Sundays we mostly like to spend morning with each other, and then afternoons and evenings is mostly our time. So he would do his stuff, he would go out to play if he wants to, or he'll go to his room and just work on his stuff. He's working on a project, and I would just do my own thing. I would sit, do my editing, or if I have work to finish, I'll do that. Or sometimes I like to read. I also like to go on walks on Sunday evening. I love going on walks by myself, but today I'm not going because it's supposed to rain. It was raining very heavily last night. So Pranav has gone to get his hair trimmed. So he had an haircut appointment, so he's there. I am just going to finish oiling my hair and finish all the laundry. I'm going to take an everything shower and just wash my hair, do my face mask and everything, and then just sit and read my book. So one thing that I forgot to mention, so one Sunday of every month we keep to discuss our finances, how we did in the past month, any plans we have for future that we need to work on. So generally we just go out for a coffee or a drive and discuss our budget, our investment strategy, our goals, and how we are working towards it. Something that we need to talk about. I think it's a good time to get out of your house, out of your workplace, and just sit and talk. And if you guys like such vlogs, let me know. I'll try to convince Pranav to be more in these vlogs, like weekend vlogs, where we like just go through life as a couple. And yeah, if you guys like the video, let me know in the comments and we'll make more of those. And I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.